how to do the copy Easter egg in Discord. So, if you're joining me from my video yesterday, I decided I was going to do a different kind of video, but I guess I decided, again, let's do another Discord one, because this is a fun little one. Doesn't really show you how to do anything new, except for how to copy your name, your username, and also the little username identifier, the hashtag 1302 for me. So, what you have to do is just click down here on your name in Discord where if you hover over, it'll say click to copy username. If you click it once, it'll say copied. You go and you click it again, it'll say copied. If you go click it again, it'll say double copy. But you have to do it kind of quickly. So double copy, triple copy, dominating, rampage, mega copy, unstoppable. Oh, I messed it up. I'll try it again. So double copy, triple copy, dominating, rampage, mega copy, unstoppable, wicked sick, monster copy, godlike, and then beyond godlike. And I believe that's the last one that you can get it to go to. But as you can see, it's kind of crazy. So that is the name copying Easter egg within Discord.